Here you go, son.
To stop time, click watch.
What the?
Lisa, that's a filthy habit.
If we're both touching the watch, neither of us will be affected.
Due to budget cuts, music class will now have a 2-drink minimum. Granaapple juice only counts as 1.
My slacks, they've descended.
Huh? What's it? No! 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 I can't go on. You could be. Oh! People, Springfield is in crisis. Fingers have been shoved up noses, pants have been pulled down, and mayors have been repeatedly humiliated. Damn it! I thought our mysterious pranksters might be here tonight, so I covered the meeting hall with ultraviolet powder. Behold the perpetrators! It was those guys! Come! Let us kill them before learning of the magical secret which they possess! Get them!
To repeat what I said a moment ago, you are so dead.
Dios mío, this kid is fun to hit.
Why is Bart so tall and shaggy?
Just one of life's mysteries. Like, why is my nose jammed full of army men?
Oh, come on. Don't you get it? Bart stopped time with his magic stopwatch.
Jealous much?
Why can't I tinker with the fabric of existence?
Let the baby have her bottle.
Huh. What happens if I press this button?
Ah!
Sorry.
Okay, that's good. Stop there.